While they may not have active noise cancelling, they still do a decent job of blocking out external noise. 8. SoundPeats True Wireless Earbuds. The SoundPeats True Wireless Earbuds are a budget-friendly option that delivers true wireless connectivity. These earbuds have an impressive battery life, with up to 35 hours of playtime when using the charging case. They also feature touch controls for easy music and call management. The fit is comfortable and secure, making them great for workouts or running errands. The sound quality is decent for the price, but you may experience some latency when watching videos. 9. Job Remove Wireless. The Job Remove Wireless headphones are a great option for those who want a sleek and portable design. These headphones are lightweight and foldable, making them easy to take on the go. They have an impressive battery life, with up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge. Additionally, they feature a comfortable headband and ear cups with adjustable sliders. The sound quality is decent, but it may lack bass for some listeners. 10. Sony YC310 Wireless Earbuds. The Sony YC310 wireless earbuds are a budget-friendly option that delivers solid sound quality. These earbuds have a 15-hour battery life and are lightweight, making them perfect for long listening sessions. They also feature magnetic earbuds that can be attached together when not in use. The sound quality is impressive for the price, with clear vocals and decent bass. However, the earbuds may not fit securely for all ear sizes. 11. Beats Flex Wireless Earbuds. The Beats Flex wireless earbuds are a great option for those who prioritize connectivity. These earbuds use Apple's W1 chip for seamless pairing with Apple devices. They have an impressive 12-hour battery life and feature an adjustable ear tip for a secure fit. The sound quality is decent, but it may lack bass for some listeners. However, the earbuds may not be comfortable for all ear sizes, and the neckband may be cumbersome for some users. 12. Teotronic Sound Liberty 79 Wireless Earbuds. The Teotronic Sound Liberty 79 wireless earbuds are a budget-friendly option that delivers true wireless connectivity. These earbuds have an impressive battery life, with up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge, and up to 40 hours when using the charging case. They also feature touch controls for easy music and call management. The sound quality is decent, with clear vocals and balanced mids and highs. However, some users may experience connectivity issues or inconsistent audio quality. 13. Anker Soundbuds Curve Wireless Earbuds. The Anker Soundbuds Curve Wireless Earbuds are a budget-friendly option that delivers solid sound quality and a comfortable fit. These earbuds have an impressive 18-hour battery life and feature ear wings and ear tips in different sizes for a secure and personalized fit. They are also sweat-resistant, making them great for workouts or outdoor activities. The sound quality is decent for the price, with good bass and clear mids and highs. However, some users may experience connectivity issues or sound distortion at high volumes. 14. MPOW Flame Bluetooth Headphones. The MPOW Flame Bluetooth headphones are a budget-friendly option that delivers great sound quality and a secure fit. These headphones have an impressive 7 to 9 hour battery life and are sweat and water resistant, making them great for workouts or outdoor activities. They feature ear hooks and ear tips in different sizes for a comfortable and personalized fit.